speak Spanish, so I don't know what that says.
So this is where they passed through during the Battle of Cinco de Mayo. They took construction materials to the tunnel.
So is the exit here, or do we come out on the other side? That's what we've got asking.
Yeah, these are the largest underground tunnels.
Yeah.
That was helpful information.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's maybe. Let's keep track. Are we closer to that? We're probably really safe now.
Oh, nice.
Oh shit. I was not expecting this. Are those train tracks?
Yeah. Anyone want to take photos before we walk through? It's like it was empty except for this.
That's why there's no one down. I haven't seen the skull because it doesn't. It even eats all the bones. It leaves no trace.
There must be other tunnels that they don't allow tourists to go through.
Yeah.
Here's the merchant.
In case of dinosaurs. Wow, it just, yeah, when you touch that, it just sort of...
That's what I was checking earlier.
That looks like it was like they did that one recently though.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not sure, but it looks like it.
I think that's it.
Okay, it was free. It was good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There must be other tunnels that they don't allow tourists to go through.
Those are the cartel tunnels for the drug lords.
Speaking of the no, never mind. I thought that was Cartel. No.
Imagine it was like, that's not music, that's actually lightning inside.
I wouldn't be that surprised, honestly. And then I'd be glad I brought this back.
Just a quick walk through these tunnels. I can't remember the name of the tunnels or when they were built, but it was a cool little experience. And this is where we come out of. It's a beautiful little spot. Barrio Piazantella, Syria Mural. And Puebla is a beautiful city, bruv. Oh shit, yeah. Can we go down this one? Can we go down this
Like
way?
above Franeau?
I think so. I think she
Okay.
pointed us this way.
¿Al entra? Ah, bueno. Oh yeah, experience dos. That's what it says. That's the,
Ah.
these are quite smaller, lower.
Sorry, I'm just reading.
I did the walking tour this morning, and the people I did at the walking tour with decided to like go have lunch, and we just decided to also come to these underground tunnels. They're nothing compared to the catacombs in Paris, but still a dope little experience. They might be pipes, like sewage. They might be sewage pipes.
Oh, they're made out of wood there. It's like going for a little walk on the ground. I mean, the tunnels are cool, but it's not the much else.
There's nothing really much to see.
Yeah, like, it's just like, ooh, you get to go for a long walk.
Do we go up this way? Oh no, emergency.
No, that's just emergency. Oh, I'm actually getting pissed and having to stay
Be careful.
in. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to 4 ahead.
So this is 3 because when we have number 3 on the top.
I didn't see the 3. I saw the 2.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Oh, there's
And the
hidden.
other 6.
There's hidden treasures. Let's see what's in there. You said there's 6 experiences?
I think so. It's quite impressive, this is all on something.
Yeah.
No.
When was it built again? 1529? I can't remember.
You can read it on the way out.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Hola, hola. Señor. Ah, do you think that was a pyramid?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay right here. Coming out of the cool tunnels into this hot sun. Okay, this was a cooler experience. Experiencia 5.
guard themselves.
Okay.
I think it's these are attack against these are like the walls they have.
Yeah, but it looked like it could have been a pyramid as well.
I guess this wall is like maybe around the city.
Yeah. History fascinates me.
Yeah, I know, it's mad, isn't it? Well, it's like one of those things as well, like you learn something but everyone has their own interpretation or
of it.
way that they tell the story
Yeah.
as well.
That's why it's called history, his story.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this kind of does look like a fortress.
Yeah. It's like one of those tales unless somebody writes about it and you read word for word, like every time you tell someone about it, you're always going to tell them a different story.
Yeah, word of mouth is never reliable.
No, but they're the most interesting.
I'm making a video about someplace I don't even know the name of. That guy that I met earlier, Luke Life Charms, he's a YouTuber.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I started a YouTube channel recently, so I'd like him to mentor me. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
What, the guy outside the restaurant?
Yeah, the big guy.
Nice.
Yeah, he's a kind of successful YouTuber and he transitioned into like coaching.
Oh,
So,
wow,
yeah.
okay.
I knew I was gonna meet him. I said I want to meet him. I want to meet him. And I met him.
That's so mad.
Yeah. Is this?
Where we go from
Oh,
here?
there's a lake over there. We could end over there. Some swans over there too. Go this way. Yeah. I thought the tour was ended, but there's still a lot more to see. We're probably gonna go down here near the water to chill for a little bit. There's like swans and stuff. And there's also like an old arena. So we're probably gonna check that out as well. Did you find the bathroom? Nah. Puebla. Oh yeah, this is definitely inactive.
What's that? There's your button.
Okay, yeah. So we didn't end up going to the stadium because it was closed, or the fort because it was closed as well. But the good thing is the tunnels that we did go to were free, so that was cool. Now I'm gonna end this video here, right near the beautiful art of Puebla. And check out, I know this video wasn't the best, but I gotta make them. I gotta be consistent. I gotta go hard if I want to be successful in this. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.